I got great news for you, ladies and gentlemen, and that is that the body of Christ is on autopilot. It's on autopilot. I hate to tell you, but when you're flying somewhere on a jet, one pilot's reading the newspaper and the other pilot is drinking coffee and texting a friend. They're on autopilot. They don't need to pay attention until they land, and they don't even really need to pay attention then. Well, listen. We don't need to work to keep the body of Christ going. The beauty is that we don't like to work. The beauty is that if our life was on autopilot, wouldn't that be great? But look, this great organization that we're in, whose head is Christ, the unity that we're all seeking for, we're all struggling, it's made. The unity of the Spirit exists. It's merely, this is hard enough, I guess, to come to a realization of it and to trust it.